Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where we are learning about the Playwright individual concepts. So as part of today's video, we learn about the grouping feature. Okay, so what is grouping feature? So this feature is used to organize the multiple test cases under a common block. Okay, so how that common block will look like? That common block will look like something like this test.describe. So this is small. Okay, test.describe. In the bracket, we have to write which module test cases you want to execute all at a time in a batch. Okay, so under this test block, you can have your multiple test cases so that whenever this report will come, you can verify that your login module test cases is working perfectly fine. Suppose I'll give you an example. Suppose you are in the initial part of your project and your developer has developed login module, search module, and cart module. And out of those modules, you have automated five test cases from the login module, three test cases from the search module, and two test cases from the cart module. And your respective manager will tell you, give me the report in the module wise. I just want to verify whatever things has been developed till now. I want to verify that whether everything is working fine or not from the module wise. So this if this is a requirement, then this grouping feature will comes into picture. Okay, so let's go to VS Code to understand this in a better way. See, suppose this is your test cases, and I've created one spec file called grouping.spec.js, and under that I've created a simple test cases. I've not written any hi-fi code. I've only imported that player test module, and I've written a simple test cases. The test one is verify login with valid credential. Then I've printed a simple console log, nothing else, and verify login with the invalid credentials. So these two test cases belongs to the login module test cases. Suppose this is search mobile. So what I'll do, I will remove this and I'll search mobile functionality. Okay, so this is my search test cases, and along with this, I'll also write this one search some washing machine. Okay, sorry. Okay, so these are my four test cases. Two belongs to the uh, login module, and rest of the two modules are belongs to search module. Okay, so what is our definition is saying? We have to organize multiple test cases in under a common block. So what we need to do is we have to organize these two things into a simple describe. So test.describe in the bracket will write login test cases. Okay, and after that you have to put the arrow function. Okay, so this is my test describe block. I have login test cases. Similarly, I'll create one more block where I'll write search related test cases. So in you can see I've created two simple block, which is a common block where I will put my respective four test cases according to its functionality. So these two functionality belongs to my login module. So I'll just cut it and I'll paste over here. Okay. Then the next one is I'll just format the document, and these are the two test cases which belongs to the search functionality. I'll cut it out. Okay. So if you see according to the definition, multiple test cases can be organized in a single common block so that we can get the report in a module wise. If there is a requirement to verify the functionality module wise, then you can use this feature. And if I'll execute this test case, I'll press the Ctrl J. and I will execute the test cases npx playwright test dot slash test. In the test case is my tests folder tests, then grouping dot spec dot js hyphen heading. I've not written any fancy code over here just to understand what exactly this grouping feature. So when you use this feature, then you can put your real code under the test block. Okay, so this is how you can execute the test cases, and to get the report, you can, what is the exact code you can get out of your, see, reporting wise, you will get a clear picture over here. So when you execute these test cases, see, this is my search module. So login test cases, that describe whatever the things that we have put under the describe block, that is login test cases. So if you can see, I'll see login test cases. I'll just copy this, and in the report I will paste over here. So I can see this is my login test cases. All my test cases got passed, and similarly the search related test case also got passed. So here the benefit also you can get the complete report in a like categorized way. Okay, so this is the benefit that you can get from the grouping feature. Okay, I hope I hope you like this video. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video with some uh, one more topic from the playwright. Okay, till then, thank you.